We're at the Borough Market this Sunday.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Wow.
Order fish and chips from Fish Kitchen. I put some vinegar on it. What did you get?
Chicken wrap.
You good? Halfway na ako sa fish and chips ko. Sarap. Oily na nga rin ako from the fish. Ay, sarap ng fish and chips. Yung in-order ni Honey G, yung same wrap from last time. Ang hungry yan.
Apple pa eh.
Happy? Anong gusto mo sa kinain?
Lahat.
Gusto na ba?
Diba? Busog na.
Okay. Ako lapit na maubos. Kainin ko na ito mabilis. Sige.